Mr. Venus, and you take that. Alright, and your hashtag is plastic pollution. Again, hashtag plastic pollution. Type it please.
Plastic pollution is the harmful accumulation of synthetic plastic. The effects of plastic pollution is choking of wildlife, loss of biodiversity, and deforestation, and even spreading of diseases. We can stop this by planting more trees, taking care of the environment, consume less, waste less, and enjoy life and plant more trees. And it is important to remember that every little thing we do adds up and makes a big